Hey there, first grade. How's everybody doing today? And welcome back to another remote learning math lesson with Mr. NZ. Let's get started. I'm going to shrink myself into the corner. Today, we are going to be doing grade 1, lesson 8.5. And this is called combining two-dimensional shapes. So we've been learning about shapes and we've been learning about polygons, but today let's refresh our memory. The following shapes are pictured here. We have the ever popular circle, and then the oval is like a squished circle. Remember that these are not polygons. Why are they not polygons? Polygons must have straight sides, and the circle and the oval do not have straight sides. And then we have a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have a parallelogram. The opposite sides go exactly the same way. They go the same direction. They never get closer together. And then we have the rectangle, 2 long sides and 2 short sides. And then we have the star that has just a whole bunch of sides. That is a polygon. It follows the rules. Straight sides, it's closed, and the sides do not cross over or overlap. And then we have the square, 4 sides all the same. Trapezoid, the hexagon, the rhombus, 4 equal sides, and the triangle has 3 equal sides. So today, we are going to be taking all of those shapes and we are going to combine them. Can you say that word? Combine. That means we're going to put them together. And as we put them together, we're going to compose, which means to build new shapes. Can you say that word for Mr. Enzi? Compose. Yeah, to build shapes. Now, composite figures are composed of 2 or more shapes. You can see the word compose at the start of the word composite. Say the word composite. So a composite figure is made up of 2 or more shapes. Here's an example. Here I have some shapes. I have a triangle, a rectangle, another rectangle, a square, and a parallelogram. When I put them together, I make a composite figure. I made a brand new shape. Pretty cool. Today is going to be a really fun lesson because we are going to be making some composite shapes. So here I have my special pattern block app that's online, and you are going to get to use it today. I want to show you how it works. I can take a triangle, add it onto my board. I can turn my triangle around, and then I can add another shape. Now watch what happens when I add 2 triangles and I put 2 triangles together. I made a brand new shape. I made a rhombus. And you can see how it fits right on top of it. So I can take 2 triangles, put them together, make a composite figure called a rhombus. Now if I want to clear my pattern block board, I hit these 2 little arrows that are in a circle, and it'll say, do you want to clear your work? I sure do, because I'm going to have some more fun. Watch what happens when I take this trapezoid and I turn it around. Then I take another trapezoid and I turn it around. And I build a shape. I put them together, compose them. What shape did I make now? Hopefully you guessed a hexagon. Look at that. The hexagon fits right on top of it. So 2 trapezoids made a hexagon. Pretty cool. Oh, let me see. I want to have some fun now. Oh, let me take a trapezoid and a triangle and put them together. And what shape did I make? I made a bigger triangle. So this pattern block app is really cool, but it gets better. Watch this. Over here you see some cards. When I click on my cards, I can go ahead and pick any shape I want. I'm going to take the rocket ship. Wow, my rocket ship comes right up onto my screen. Now I get to take some of my pattern blocks and I get to try and cover my rocket ship. And I can turn my shapes around, I can fit them in, and I'm going to try and make this entire rocket shape covered up with all of my pattern block templates. You can see how cool a job Mr. Enzi's doing so far. And when I'm done this whole rocket ship, you are going to want to take a picture of it and show everybody what an amazing job you did at making a composite figure by combining some shapes. So this is really going to be a fun activity today. So this is going to be one of your activities. I want to take you to your other activity. Your other activity will be found in Seesaw. Now, this activity is also going to have a shape, but there's going to be some triangles off to the side. You're going to have to move these triangles and try and fill up this rectangle with these 4 triangles. Now remember, you can't overlap, cover them, right? And you can't leave a gap or a space. You want the entire rectangle to be covered. And you don't want to go outside the rectangle's lines. So Mr. Enzi might start by putting the rectangle and the triangle right there. Wow, that fit perfect. And then maybe I want to take this one and maybe I want to try and turn it around and see if I can make it fit. Oh, look at that. Now, I'm not going to do any more because I don't want to I want to trick all of you. So I'm not giving you the answers. But look, if you think you can do that easy one, I put some harder ones up for you. I want to see who can solve the mystery of the 4 triangle composite shapes today. All right. So, my friends, today we talked about combining 2-dimensional shapes. We learned about all of our different shapes. Some are polygons, some are not. We talked about the words combine, compose, and composite figure. Today, you are going to take some of our pattern block shapes and you are going to make a composite figure. I can't wait to see all of your creations. All right, my friends, head into Seesaw and get started.